Yes, we are back. Back again. I'm not going to sing the Eminem song because that's just not appropriate. Anyway, here we are. Look, we got new flooring. We got tile. We got tile in the entryway. Isn't that nice looking? Look at that. Caulk baseboard, painted baseboard, light fixtures up. Oh my goodness gracious. Lots of tools. It takes lots of tools to be able to do things. Look at this tile floor in the kitchen. Come on now. Tile done all in here. Do we got light? Oh, look at that. We got lights. Light fixtures installed, paint done, plumbing already. Turn that off so you don't waste electricity. Come on now. Shipley Donuts. Those are America's best donuts right there. Come on. Not sponsored. None of these tools are sponsored either, just to keep that clear. And kitchen's looking good. Look at that nice flooring. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then we have the fireplace, new mantle, new sides, fluted with trim there. That'll be painted. Looks good. Tile matches. Got more fixtures over there. Go down the hallway. Nice new fans. Everything looks good. Ready for flooring. Bathroom. Let's check that out. Oh, look at that. Nice. Nice vapor barrier, ready to put tile up. That is good. Look at that tub. Everything's looking pretty. Door's finished, ready to go in. That store's already in. Room's done. New fan. We've walked in here before. You know the routine. Still got the tape up there. Interesting choice. Very loud AC. That's all right. And here we are in the master. Still liking this. Over here. Looks like we got all the tile floors done. All the way into the back, almost done. I'm not sure what's going on in there. Vanity's gonna go here. Gonna have to do some tile tub surround, some shower surround. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna do a little bit more closer inspection, walk around with a roll of blue tape. Now's a great time to start really getting into looking at any kind of imperfections you might see. Here's a good example right here on this door. As you can see, maybe see, maybe not see. Let's see, that looks bad. Right, so let's pull it, let's sand it, let's get it redone. Now's the time to make things look right. Now's the time to make things happen. And that's what you do, right? Got all the cover plates on. Everything's looking beautiful. So that's it, folks, for this little quick walkthrough. I'm going to do a little bit more details. Like I said, walk around with some blue tape, see what we got going on. Got a little imperfection right there that I don't like, but that's the time. Things are going to happen, little imperfections, right? And you got to go around and just kind of look and go, okay, is that just like dirt, sand? Oh, look at that. Just wipes right off. No problem. So that's what you got to do on these. You got to, as you go through the project, make sure that you're looking at everything, checking everything out, ensuring that you're getting the end product that you want as you go along. You can't just show up at the very end of the job when the guys are all excited, expecting to be done. They got all their tools packed up, ready to go, and you're like, oh, by the way, no, there's a crap ton more of stuff for you to do. That's not fun. It's not good for them. It's not good for you. It's not good for morale. It's not good for relationships. So just take the time, stop by the job site, check things out, point things out, put some blue tape on it and be like, hey, no offense. I just want to make sure that we're not wasting each other's time. Right? That's going to be a good relationship. Anyway, be blessed, bless others. If you have anything that you need help with, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can always reach me at reiguideservice.com, reiguideservice.com, thevalhallaventures.com. That's two of my social medias, or that's two of my websites. But you can find me on the social medias, all of the social medias, all that kind of good stuff, anytime you need. I'm on the Instagrams, I'm on the Twitters, I'm on the LinkedIns, I'm on all those. So you can find me. I'm there. Facebooks, you can find me there also. Anyway, have a great day. We'll check back with you in a couple more days and see where we are on all this flooring. This house is almost done, ready to be moved into by somebody very soon. All right, have a great day. Bye.